What a blessed day it is to be able to join these two in marriage. And Mariah is a precious gift that the Lord has given us.
Before I do, I'll be looking
Oh my goodness. You're beautiful.
Thank you. You're beautiful. You look good. I want to get makeup on you. Thank you. I'm proud of you.
And Mark, today we're giving this precious gift to you. And on behalf of Becky and I, we just want to tell you how much we appreciate you. And we're committed to loving you as our son and welcome you into our family and our home. And what a joyous time that it is.
I'll talk to you in the morning when the sun climbs over the peak. If your body leaves me.
Okay. Dear Mark, I can't believe today is our wedding. I clearly remember early on, shortly after you met me, when you told me that you were going to marry me one day. Even though I laughed, I remembered secretly hoping that you were right.
Making eyes at you.
Almost 3 years ago to the day I set eyes on you for the first time. I knew then you were what I had been missing. I remember 2 weeks after meeting you, I told you I would marry you one day, and you just laughed at me. Who's laughing now?
My baby sister, you are all grown up. It has been an honor to be a part of your life, and I am so thankful you were chosen to be my sister. I did not realize the gift I had in you until I was older. And now you are my dearest friend and confidant. Mark, as I see you and Mariah together, it's as if you have understood parts of her that she had not yet allowed herself to experience. You made room for her to be herself and to grow into the woman she was meant to be.
Can you see the view? I'll be looking
You can turn around. Hey. I was like, thank you.
making eyes at you.
I love how you make me feel that I can be totally myself with you. I've never felt that way before. I'm excited to start this journey with you and learning to love each other in new ways every day.
Quiet now into the tremor of a hope that's growing deep inside. Hand to mouth, our secret whispers of a dream to roll our tide.
In the 21 years I've known Mark, I have never seen him smile the way he does when he looks at Mariah.
I see the headlines.
Well before there was a ring, well before there was a talk of a ring, Mark always said when talking about Mariah, I'd marry her tomorrow. Well, Mark, tomorrow is here, and I could not be more happy. In the last 21 years, I've been able to watch Mark grow into this solid, respected, and loving guy that you guys see today. It has been such a blessing to have a little brother to look up to. I want to wish you both the best life that life can give, and I'm so looking forward to growing our families together in the years to come.
bar.